Hello everyone. In this video I will show what can be done with an empty gas lighter balloon. By making this do-it-yourself, you will no longer need to buy gas balloons. So the empty balloon needs to be cleaned of paint. This is easily done with sandpaper.
After cleaning the paint on the balloon, you need to make a mark.
Now, according to the mark, we cut two parts of the balloon with a cutter. Here's what should happen. In the lower part of the balloon, we drill a hole in the center, 8 mm in diameter. Next, we take the valve from a bicycle tube and unscrew the nipple from it. We won't need it. After that, the valve needs to be screwed into the bottom of the balloon. A rubber gasket must definitely be put on the valve. Now we take the second part of the balloon and make bends on it, as shown in the video. Having made the bends, we insert the upper part of the balloon into the lower one. Flux needs to be applied to the seam and then it needs to be soldered. We crimp the soldering place with a crimping tool. Now we put on the burner and our do-it-yourself is finished. For its operation, a gasoline air mixture generator will be needed. This is a regular glass jar, in the lid of which you need to solder one small piece of pipe and a second larger one. The end of it should be bent and drilled with several holes. Gasoline or solvent is poured into the jar. A metal brush for washing dishes needs to be put on the end of the pipe. A polyvinyl chloride hose is put on the short pipe and connected to the burner. A small compressor is needed for the generator to work. It needs to be connected to the long pipe so that it can pressurize air into the jar. The compressor needs to be connected through a rotation regulator so that the power of the burner can be adjusted. We tighten the wires and proceed to test the homemade device. Turning on the compressor, it pumps air into the tank through one pipe and gas already goes into the burner through the second pipe. As you can see, everything works. The power of the burner is regulated by the compressor's revolutions. By making such a do-it-yourself, you will no longer have to buy gas balloons. Just pour gasoline into the generator and use it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave comments, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell. Thanks for watching and goodbye to all.